you CIA?
How'd you get in here?
Oh, Blue has a camera. She might be streaming.
If Ken finds out we got made by a 9-year-old, my career's over.
What's the option?
Kill her. Make it look like an accident.
Everybody has a great story to tell, and our job as producers is to help pull that story out. My name is Taylor, and I am a producer for TV and podcast. The whole production.
This water is so cold, you guys.
I can't really tell.
It's freezing. Guys, so we're at It's. Her dad is in Houston for the weekend, so we're doing a fun girls' day or weekend, whatever. So right now we're at It's. So let's see what we're gonna do. Hello guys, good morning. I am getting ready, well, me and Raylan are getting ready to go to an expo. This is my outfit. It's just a simple black tube dress. I did my makeup, put my beautiful long drawstring ponytail that I love. I look cute. What's up, YouTube? It's Sunday the 19th and I am getting ready. Well, okay, hold on. We are getting ready to go to brunch with my mother. This is what I'm wearing, this yellow, beautiful yellow jumpsuit from Fashion Nova. Absolutely love it. Here's a little one. She has on her little yellow dress with my tablet. So, yep. Alright guys, so I have a mango mimosa. My mother has a pomegranate. Miss Raylan just has Sprite. Alright, we've already started eating. I got the, I can't pronounce it, Joves Rancheros. My mother has egg and brisket. And Rayla has a chicken taco. What? What's that restaurant called that he like? I can't even think. It's some steak restaurant. Texas Roadhouse.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. Oh, you would like it too? Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, Mama. You gotta go. They're closed.
I hate it. They close on Sunday and Monday.
Time will alter, the time will alter memories. When you ask for more, but I like when you close and scan it on my floor. No, I.
Mine too.